Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan, and today, Wednesday, 1 November 2023. A lot to do this morning. I have 18 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the euro yen, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. At the end of this video, I'll show as always my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Euro yen is broken clearly through this big resistance level, and euro much stronger than the yen. So I'm waiting for a retest, and then I'll wait for a 4-hour or a 1-hour candle reversal. And then I will take the longs is right here at the 61 Fibonacci of this last swing. In the Euro CAD, got this long there on Monday afternoon or lunchtime. Started out well, got to the 1.27, closed half the position there. Going still for the 1.618 FIB on the balance of the trade. Holding on tight, Euro CAD still good, so I'm holding on tight. If it gets back down here, I will hit the stop loss most likely, but I will be interested again in the trade. So a nice first target. The balance of the trade, I'm going to push through to the 1.618 Fibonacci. Euro New Zealand, unfortunately, I got the break of the triangle, a retest and a morning star yesterday morning. Started out very well. During the night, hit my stop loss here and then fly up the page. So unfortunately, a full loss for me on this one. So not a nice one last night. I don't know what happened, but a terrible one for that matter. Never got to my first target there to close out some of the trade at a profit. So this trade is a full loss. I don't see anything new that I can do particularly today on this one. In the pound CAD, showed this consolidation yesterday. We had the break, the retest, then on the 1-hour charts, we had the test. Nice morning star, took the trade there. Got chance on the 50% mark here also last night to enter the trade. So let's see where it goes. Slightly underwater with the trade, but not much. The 4-hour didn't give me really, well, you can write this as a bullish engulfing, but I think the 1-hour setup here was a much better setup for me. So in the trade, and let's hope for the best there. Pound CAD, you see pound there, CAD there, still good. Aussie New Zealand, we got the long here, we got the halfway mark there, so very nicely done. First target hit, no problem there. Yesterday came back to the level I've identified yesterday morning. Nice morning star, got me to add into the trade. Started out well and then just ran the stop loss. Now what I did with this one, seeing that this was a new entry, I pulled this stop loss, which was from there to there. I pulled that to that level, which was exactly the entry level. I took an additional half risk here with this trade at no risk, and that got stopped out. So I lost half risk, not the end of the world. Got something in the bank there that made up for the little loss here. So all in all, a scratch trade, break even. I'm not really interested today in it. Aussie, New Zealand getting very close to each other. So I'm moving this also off my list for today. In the Dow Jones, we've identified this level yesterday, shot up through it, then a bearish engulfing. A little bit of a big stop loss, but still fine. So there was a potential entry on the candle. Also the halfway mark, slightly underwater at this stage. But with the strong dollar, that is highly stock market negative. So I still think we're in the correct direction. This rising trend line now, the break below this rising trend line, then a retest of the trend line on a 1-hour or a 4-hour candle reversal. I'll then consider to do some more shorts. Euro Swiss, euro up there, Swiss down there. You can see the last swing, the market structure there was resistance. Draw the Fibonacci on this last swing, right at 61% at market structure. So I'm waiting for a retracement, then I test, then I will look for 1-hour or 4-hour candle reversals for some longs. US yen, big run yesterday. Dollar up there, yen down here. So if it retraces back to the Fibonacci 61%, this market structure here, I will then look for longs on candle reversals. New Zealand US forming a little bit of a rising flag. Let's call it a rising wedge. The retest there, I would get interested in on candle reversals. New Zealand much weaker than the dollar, so I will keep an eye on this area. USD Swiss, Fibonacci from there to there, 61% retracement at market structure, and dollar way stronger than the Swiss. So I'm very interested in buying if I can get back to this structure here on a candle reversal. pound yen getting a little bit close to each other, but I'll give it a chance today. If it retraces to this level, I'll consider longs on that market structure right at the 50% level of the Fibonacci. Gold, as I said 2 days ago, I think the gold move is done. So it is decoupling a little bit now. Well, it is coupling again now. It was decoupling, but now it's coupling again on a strong dollar. Gold selling off. I'll get interested back at this level for some gold longs. Pound US, nice rising flag pattern, a consolidation. With a pound US, I'll look for a break, a 4-hour close, a decent break, then the retest and a counter reversal of this rising trend line. Then the Nasdaq rising flag here. I'm waiting for the break and a retest. On a strong dollar, stock market negative, so I would love to see a breakdown, the retest, and then a counter reversal at that level on the 1 hours or the 4-hour charts. Same sort of scenario on the S&P 500, rising wedge. I would love to see a solid break below, a retracement and a retest, and then I'll consider shorts here. In the pound Swiss, good for longs. Nice market structure here coming in at 61%. You can see resistance, 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 and now could become support at 61%. And with my relative strength in my favor, I would look for long setups on a 1 hour and a 4-hour reversal. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a short on the FTSE. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now let's get back to my favorite setup, a short on the FTSE. Triangle forming. Now with the US markets or the dollar strong, meaning US markets bearish, FTSE on the pound also still strong, and that means stock market negative on the FTSE also, forming a nice consolidation triangle. I would like to see a break and a retest, and on that retest I'll consider shorts on a 1 hour or a 4-hour candle reversal. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.